Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add Cognito form submissions to your HubSpot CRM automatically. Now Cognito Forms is an online form building application and HubSpot CRM is a marketing tool which is used to convert leads. Now what we are going to do, we are going to have a form submission through our Cognito Forms and the details from those form submissions will be sent to your HubSpot account and a new contact will be created in your HubSpot CRM which can be later used for marketing purposes or several other purposes. It's up to you what you want to do with those contacts. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Cognito Forms and HubSpot together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So welcome back to our screen, and now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and press enter, and as soon as you will press enter you will be redirected to this page, and here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you can go for sign up. Signing up is also very easy. It is free and it will only take you 2 minutes to sign up, and also we are giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Now I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in and then I will click on login. Now here you can see I have some softwares. I have to click on access now for Pabbly Connect, and here what I have to do, a new window will appear here where I have all the automations here I have done, and you can also do these kinds of automation, and we have several videos on our channel for these automations as well. Now what we are going to do to create a new automation, we are going to click on create workflow, and now we are going to give it a name. And now we are going to give it the name. So we are just going to go for Cognito Forms to HubSpot. Okay, so I'm connecting Cognito Forms to HubSpot, so I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Just click on create, and after that you will see you will be redirected here, and here you have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So here what is happening in our trigger, we are having Cognito Forms in our trigger. So we'll just go for Cognito Forms and then we are going to click on new entry. Now here you can see we have the option of webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which is responsible for connecting our Pabbly Connect account to our Cognito Forms. So what we are going to do, we are going to use these instructions here. So you can read them later on. I am going to show you how it's done. So we will go to Cognito Forms, and here I am using this form, data testing form. So I'll just go to data testing form, and here I have the option of submission settings. So I'll just go for submission settings, and here you will see that you have an option of this thing, post JSON data to a website. So what you have to do, when you will go here, this button will be switched off. You have to toggle on this button. I already did that, and after that click on that, and if you have any entry endpoint previously already submitted here, just delete that, because when you will do it first time you will find it empty like this. But if you are doing it for the second, third, fourth time, and if you have been trying different automations, you will have something else here in submit entry endpoint. So just copy the webhook URL from the Pabbly Connect account, go back here and paste that webhook URL here. After that what you are going to do, you are going to click on publish, and then you will click on save changes. Now as soon as you will do that, you will see your form will be published here, and this is the type of form you're gonna see. Just go here to this URL and use this to open your form. And now here we are going to have a submission. Now as soon as we will do this submission, here I will get a webhook response. So let me just do that. So I am just putting it my name here, Arpit, last name is Sharma, phone number is 98765456778, email is arpitsharma 4321@gmail.com. Okay. Now organization. So I'm just going to put in Pabbly Connect because I work for Pabbly Connect. And here I'm just going to click on submit. Now as soon as I will click on submit, you will see the response will be submitted here. And here Pabbly Connect account will capture the webhook response in few seconds. So we are going to have a new response here, and you can see this is our response, Arpit Sharma, and this is Arpit Sharma at the rate gmail 4321 at the rate gmail.com email address, and this is my phone number, and this is my organization name. So our first step of connecting our Pabbly Connect account to our Cognito Forms account is completed. And now what we are going to do in action step here, we are going to choose our next application, which is HubSpot CRM. So we are just going to click on HubSpot CRM, and here we are going to select create a contact with basic properties. Okay. So we are just going to click on connect, and here we will go for add new connection. Now it is asking you for the API key. So what you have to do, you have to find the API key by following these steps. How you are going to do that? First, you have to click on settings, then you have to navigate to integrations and then API key. Then you have to generate API key and then copy the API key and paste it here. So go to HubSpot CRM, and then from here you will go to settings. So this gear icon is your settings icon. Just go for settings. Then go here, and here you have to go to integrations. And integrations, you will find the option for API key. Go to API key, and here you can see you already have the API key. So you can just click on show. I am not a robot, and this is your API key. Just copy this API key, and after copying this API key, just go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste the API key here. Now click on save. And after you save, you will get these fields here: email address, first name, last name, website, etc, etc. Now what I am going to do, I am going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here, and it will let me put the data here in this window. So first I am gonna map in the email, which is arpitsharma4321 at the rate gmail.com. First name is Arpit, last name is Sharma, website, so company name, I do not have all these things. I have company name, so I will just go for company name is Pabbly Connect. Now I did not use any more fields. I also have phone number, like address, city, state, zip code. I did not use them, so I'm not going to put them here. If I have been using them in my form, I would have been putting them here, but I did not. Okay, so I'm just going to click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you can see I have a new ID here, 12351. And when I will go back to my HubSpot CRM, and here I will click on contacts. So you will see here I have a new contact, Arpit Sharma 4321 at the rate gmail.com, and this is my phone number. So our automation is successful. Now let us try this automation for one more time to see if it is working or not. So let us take the name Swati, last name Sharma, phone number is 98765678990. Email is Swati Sharma 123 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and organization, she also works for Pabbly Connect, so I'll just go for Pabbly Connect. Now I will just click on submit, and as soon as I will click on submit, you will see another response has been generated here. And now as soon as I will go back to this HubSpot CRM, and as soon as I will refresh this, you will see a new contact will come here, which is this Swati Sharma 123 at the rate gmail.com. So friends, our automation is successful, where we have connected our Cognito Forms to our HubSpot CRM, and here we are going to have a new contact created automatically in our HubSpot CRM as soon as we will have a new entry in our Cognito Forms. So I hope you loved this workflow, and if you want to clone this wonderful workflow in your account, you can just go to my description box and clone it in your account. But for that you need an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com, If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.